Welcome, Inktober fans. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a special cat candy corn, and we'll be drawing the side edges a little rounder, and we're gonna make the middle white, and we're gonna make it white because I want the cat's face to show up. This is actually my second time using ink, and Inktober I like because it's Halloween, and I draw the candy corn cat because I really like candy corns and I like cats, so I just mushed them together, and then a candy corn cat, and then it's Halloweenish. Plus, it's cute too. I hope you enjoy this video, and hashtag me if you put a candy corn cat for Inktober. Bye. See you next time.